Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sponge gourd. Start with fresh, firm sponge gourds for the best results. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Next, gently peel the outer skin using a vegetable peeler, then trim off the ends. Now, you're ready to cut them. You can slice them into 1-inch rounds or half-inch cubes, depending on your recipe. This preparation ensures your sponge gourd is ready for cooking. For a simple and delicious preparation, heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add aromatics like minced garlic or ginger for extra flavor. Then, toss in your prepared sponge gourd. Sauté for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the gourd is tender crisp. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Sponge gourd is wonderful in curries and stews. Prepare your base as usual, with onions, tomatoes, and your chosen spices. Add the cut sponge gourd during the final 10 to 15 minutes of cooking. Make sure it's submerged in the liquid so it cooks evenly. Continue to simmer until the gourd is soft but still holds its shape, not mushy. It truly absorbs all those delicious flavors. Beyond its versatility, sponge gourd offers great health benefits. It's low in calories and packed with dietary fiber, aiding digestion. It also provides essential vitamins like A and C and minerals such as zinc. You can serve sautéed sponge gourd as a simple side dish, or add it to vibrant stir-fries with other vegetables and proteins. It's also lovely in light soups or as part of a fresh vegetable medley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.